course, we are tracking the latest on a Pinpoint Weather 12 alert. Let's give you a live look here at Newport tonight, where it's been a breezy Wednesday. A wind advisory is in effect until 2 o'clock tomorrow morning.
We could see wind gusts of up to 55 miles per hour, leading to some scattered power outages. Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca joins us now with the latest on what he's tracking. Tony, is this going to affect a lot of people's Halloween decorations, things like that?
Yeah, I'm really concerned about the next couple of hours. So there's a very strong line of thunderstorms in central and western Mass moving into Worcester County, where there's now a severe thunderstorm warning. So it's a fast-moving line. So roughly between 6 and 8 o'clock in the evening is really where there's the potential for some damaging wind gusts. So let's set the stage. I mean, so far we just had some showers, some gusty breezes, but nothing too extreme. But with a rapidly approaching cold front and a strong one at that, you see the skies are getting dark. The wind's been picking up a little bit, but very shortly we're going to be watching this line coming through. Now, the high wind advisory is until 2 o'clock in the morning. So even when skies clear and dry out this evening, the wind will still be gusty. But it's that window between 6 and 8 o'clock this evening that I'm more concerned with, but gusts between 40 and 55 miles per hour possible. So here's the deal. We've had some showers passing through right now, but take you to the north and west, and you see this pretty impressive squall line. I haven't seen anything like this since this past summer, and this is racing off now to the south and east. So Worcester's right here, northern Rhode Island right here. This is moving southeast at about 50 miles per hour, and you can see the areas in red now just to our north and west where there's a severe thunderstorm warning. When this line went through Albany, New York, it produced a wind gust of 68 miles per hour. I've seen some pictures in western Mass on social media of some trees that were knocked down as well. So this is the real concern in the short term over the next couple of hours, and the arrival time is between roughly 6 and 7 o'clock this evening for Rhode Island, and about 7 to 8 o'clock in the evening across southeastern Mass, the Cape, and the islands. So we take a look at the forecast hour by hour, and you can see a lot of our computer models are still holding on to this squall line at 6 o'clock in the evening. These areas of red represent thunder, downpours, and strong wind, but look how rapidly it races off. By 7 o'clock in the evening, it's in southeastern Mass. 8 o'clock in the evening, it's long gone, and then skies are clearing out behind that. But even within the clear, dry air later on this evening, the wind will still be gusty, but the bigger concern would be with the wind potential with those thunderstorms coming through. And again, beyond 8 o'clock this evening, things are better in terms of rain and thunder, but the wind, strong wind gusts will continue, though they'll tend to ease during the overnight and into early tomorrow morning. You want to check back with me shortly. We're going to look at the Doppler radar in more detail. But again, from roughly 6 until 8 o'clock this evening, the risk is there for some damaging thunderstorms. We'll talk more about it coming up in a few minutes.